Hey, what's up, hustlers? Welcome back to Hustle with Zack, where I show you how to make money online, start businesses, and build the life you want, all without needing to be a tech genius. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build a mobile app in under 30 minutes, without writing a single line of code. That's right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own app and even get it published on the App Store or Google Play. Let's get into it. The tool we'll be using today is called GoodBarber. What it does give you is a super powerful drag-and-drop platform that helps you build real apps that can go live in the iOS and Android stores, from simple templates to full-blown e-commerce and membership apps. So whether you want to build an app for your brand or create one and sell it to a local business to make your first $1,000 online, this is the perfect starting point. GoodBarber offers a variety of app templates to choose from, including e-commerce, membership, scheduling, tourism, online courses, news, content creator, and custom apps. Simply click on Start for free. On the next page, you'll see a variety of templates such as restaurant, newspaper, faith, bookings, grocery, internal communication, delivery and pickup, tourism, events, services, radio station, content creator, and many more. Choose the template that fits your needs. In my case, I'm selecting the grocery template. It shows a preview of the app, which looks great, and the interface is very smooth. Then just click Next to continue. Next, you'll see a selection of themes for your app. Choose the one you like best. I'm going with the second theme. After that, click Next. Now you'll be taken to the navigation section where you can choose the style of the menu buttons. Pick the one that fits your app's look. I'm choosing the third option. Then click Next to move on. Now it's time to name your app. You can come up with a name yourself, or you can use ChatGPT to help. Just head over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. Suggest unique, brand-able, and easy-to-remember names for a modern grocery delivery app. The names should reflect freshness, convenience, speed, and affordability. Avoid generic words like shop or store. Aim for something fun, modern, and suitable for app branding. Provide name ideas with short one-line meanings. I've added in the description of this video. You can simply copy and use it. ChatGPT will generate some unique and creative name ideas. You'll probably find some really awesome ones. Just pick the one you like best and use it for your app. In my case, I'm naming the app Zippy Cart. As you can see in the preview on the right side, the name updates automatically at the top. Once you're happy with it, click Next to continue. Finally, enter your email and password to create your app, then click Create My App. The app building process will begin, and it typically takes less than a minute to complete. And boom, your app is ready. Just click Discover it. Now you'll be taken to the design section of your app. Click on App Style, and you'll be able to change your app's color palette. Choose the one that fits your style. I'm going with the lemon color palette, but there are plenty of options to explore. You can even customize the primary and secondary colors, as well as the text and background colors. Once you're happy with the changes, click Apply, and your app's color palette will be updated. Next, you can change the font style. Just click on the Font section and choose the style you prefer. You can even apply different fonts to different headings. Once you're done, click Apply to save your changes. The third section shows the button style. There are three options: square, rounded, and round. Choose one and apply. Next, you can customize the thumbnails and cells of your app. You'll have three options: square, rounded, and round. I'm choosing the round option because it has a more modern look. After that, you can add effects to the pictures to enhance their appearance. Next, we have the spacing option, where you can add margins to the text in your app for better alignment. Then there's haptic feedback and animations. With haptic feedback, your app will vibrate when users press certain elements, adding a more interactive experience. You can also add animations to make your app feel more dynamic. Next, we have icons, where you can customize your app icons and set your own. Then there's background color, allowing you to change the background color of your app. You can even add images to the background to give your app a personalized touch. Additionally, you can edit the structure of your app, including the header, menu, and home elements. You can also add custom sections to the home screen to further personalize the layout. Next, you can customize your app icon by adding text and changing the icon color, or you can upload your own logo to personalize it. Even further, for making logo, the best website is Canva. Simply head over to Canva, then in the search bar type logo, and it will give the logo templates. Choose one of them, and select and click on Customize this template. I'm adding my app name, Zippy Cart, as the logo and changing the font style. I like the null font. To make it more creative, I'm placing each letter in a separate element by duplicating them. After adding the name, I'm changing the logo color to a shade of yellow to match the brand. Then head over to the Elements section and select Graphics. Add visual elements to make the logo more attractive and engaging. I'm using a cart graphic and adjusting its color to align with my brand's theme. Once you've finished designing the logo, click on Share and download it in PNG format. After downloading the logo, return to the GoodBarber website. Click on Custom section, then click Browse to upload your logo. You can also customize your app's launch screen to match your branding. Finally, explore the theme library. GoodBarber offers a variety of great themes. Just pick the one that best fits your app's style. And that's it. Our app is ready. As you can see in the preview, everything is working smoothly, and the refresh rate is really responsive. You can publish your app as a PWA, Progressive Web App, on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. You can also check your order status in the orders section. From there, you can add new products or edit existing ones, such as updating stock availability, changing product names, or adjusting quantities. You can also manage your clients directly from the GoodBarber website. Plus, you can track the performance of your products by viewing key metrics like total sales, average cart value, and the number of orders. Next is the traffic section, where you can track customer visits and see how users are interacting with your app. And that's a wrap. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you create your own app using GoodBarber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.